Hi folks, this is Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of August 24th, 2010. As always, the charts I use are provided by Gettess Financial Technologies using their Trade Navigator software. The first chart we'll look at is the weekly bond chart. They've been on quite a ride, as you can see here. They're starting to act like they're in a little bit of a blow-off, or at least a temporary blow-off. As you can see, they can't even touch the red upper band for the last couple weeks and just barely came off of it 3 weeks ago. That's a little too much momentum for a market to continue forever. But I really thought that blue line that's bisecting price there is about 135.16. I thought that might stop them this week, and they seem to be trading higher than that. So, gosh, I don't know. It's the next stop over 138 or something. It's awful hard to predict just exactly how far a blow-off will go, other than to know it'll go a lot further than anybody believes it can. The red line below price is at 132.16, and it really, it not only wouldn't be unusual, it would actually be fairly good if they could drop that far, or they could still, go back up in the ensuing weeks. But anyway, what can you say? It's an incredibly strong uptrend. Hard to find a top in an uptrend like this, but this is too much momentum. They're going to have to stop at some point here. Now, stocks are a little different picture. We've been looking for a summer end rally here, something to finish off the summer in a positive note, and as you can see, that's not working out too good. They've even broke down below the 1055 level, the blue line you can see there that I thought would be support for this week. Basically, they've kind of gotten themselves in a position where there's not much left to hold them. If you look back here before the low, if you will, back here we have lows that are just below 1040. Let's call it 1035. Right in that area is support that they will probably at least bounce from. However, I'm not sure that bounce will be good for more than an hour. It could be multiple days. I don't mean to make light of it. It is support, and they could bounce from there. If they break that level, I don't think the stall at this previous swing low down here, all the way down near 1,000 in the S&P, I don't even think that'll last for long. I just think they're in trouble if that's the case. So they need to hold without going too far below 1035, or else, I guess that's the way to put it. If they do get going again to the upside, and as weak as they look, I still think there's a chance of that. The green and blue line together up above price here is around 1095, and that would be the likely area for them to reach before reacting back down again if they can get going. But basically, what we're looking at here is we've got this lower double top. We had the high back in April here, and then we've got a lower double top below that high. I thought sure they'd take this out. They have not, and if they don't, that lower double top is an extremely bearish pattern, and boy, I think we might be going down for a while if they do take out these lows. But they haven't done so yet, so let's keep an eye on them and see what they can do there. That's what we're looking at this week. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in, and we'll probably be back here again next week.